Hey, I'm just, don't mind me. I just got back from a mountain bike ride, a hard mountain bike ride. I rode up to over 10,000 feet. I had a pretty good pace, and I'm a little exhausted, especially after a week of riding every day, after not riding a lot. Anyways, I'm having some homemade berry cobbler I made. It's super good. I'm just finishing off the last couple bites here. What I'm gonna take a quick shower. So let me show you what do I do here, all right? All right, so first step number one. Pull out the shower. Done. Voila, shower. All in about 1 minute. Time for that last bite of cobbler. So good. All right, step three. Number one, pull out the jar. Number two, hang the curtain. Number three, pull out my shower doohickey, which goes right in here. All right, see that? Right inside the shower there. Piece of cake. Step four, let's pull out some shampoo and some body wash. Put them right here, I can easily get to them. All right. Step five, take off clothes and get in shower. I'm not going to show you this part, don't worry. So, we're going to skip to step number 6. Coming up. Hey again, step 6, shampoo. And then rinse. A little more cold, a little too hot. Woo! Oh, it is perfect. Perfect temperature. Good, rinse off. Woo-wee. Yes. All right, shower down. Woo! Oh, that was wonderful. Step number 7, dry yourself off. And you know, it just doesn't feel right to have only 7 steps. So step 8, dry yourself off, push shower away. Step 9, get dressed. I think that's good. 9 steps. That's a 9-step program. Done. That right there is the drain pump. Just getting the residual water shower out of my shower tub. Oh, wonderful. And that, folks, is how you get cleaned up after a mountain bike ride in a van. Freaking awesome. And you notice I don't have a full permanent shower setup. This thing pulls out of a drawer, and that's it. Tucks away in the drawer underneath the kitchen sink. They all use the same plumbing, hot and cold water, drain, everything. And this way I don't have this whole big shower thing taking up the space in a very limited amount of space. So that's how I did it. It works fantastic. And I'll go more into hot water system as well in the future, but plenty of hot water. Plenty hot. Too hot, actually. I had to add a lot of cold. So it was awesome. Yay for van shower.